We are going to discuss certain emergency situations pertaining to COVID-19 in this video. You people are now well aware of how coronavirus spreads. We have discussed certain protocols to be followed in other video presentation. You must keep in mind that poor safety measures with respect to COVID-19 may lead to entry of coronavirus in your factory and affect all personnel. This situation will further lead to shutdown of production activity for uncertain duration. This situation is called emergency situation. Contents of this training have been developed for awareness purpose. Safety professional working with industries have put their time and effort for development of the content. Later, contents have been finalized through brainstorming session. These contents are not mandatory for any industry, but you must refer to local authority if it is mandatory. Only appropriate content applicable to your organization may be implemented after discussion within your organization. There are some topic on which team has different opinion, but these information are also shared with you. Hence, you are recommended to discuss internally before final call on implementation. All these information are obtained from websites without validation of correctness. To some extent, we tried to obtain information from official sites of government and WHO. We are going to discuss different emergency situations. If employee is detected COVID positive. If family member of employee is detected as COVID positive. If visitor or vendor who visited us in recent past detected as COVID positive. If COVID positive case is detected at other factory near to us or same industrial estate. There are certain employees who come in contact with many other personnel in the factory because of their nature of job profession, like housekeeping staff, canteen staff, security team, safety team, industrial medical team. These employees are called super spreader. If anyone from these team is detected as COVID positive, there is always full chance of quick local transmission. There are certain employees who work at their workstation only, like marketing staff, procurement team, packing and dispatch team. If anyone from these team is detected as COVID positive, there is less chance of quick local transmission. Yes, chances of local transmission exist, always in both cases. We are classifying COVID emergency in 5 levels. Level 1 COVID emergency. This emergency is called when any employee, like super spreader, is detected as COVID positive. Level 2 COVID emergency. This emergency is called when any employee, other than super spreader, is detected as COVID positive. Level 3 COVID emergency. This emergency is called when family member of employee is detected as COVID positive. If employee is currently working from home and his family member is detected as COVID positive, it may not be called emergency for factory because he has not came in contact with others in the factory. Level 4 COVID emergency. This emergency is called when any visitor or driver of raw material delivery who visited us in recent past, is detected as COVID positive. Level 5 COVID emergency. This is, in fact, is not called emergency. But there is chance of COVID emergency, because there is case detected as COVID positive, at neighbor factory. This slide tells you difference of 5 different levels of emergency. Who is the person detected COVID positive? For level 1, employee as super spreader. For level 2, other employee. For level 3, family member of employee. For level 4, visitor or vendor, who visited in recent past. For level 5, there is no COVID positive case in your factory, but case has been detected at nearby industry. For level 1 and level 2 emergency, COVID positive cases within factory and it is more serious, compared to other levels of COVID emergency. For level 3, 4 and 5, COVID positive cases external to factory. It is highly recommended that you must report to local authority immediately if employee or family member of employee is detected as COVID positive. Even lockdown will be gradually lifted, but there is a chance of closure of the factory if COVID positive case is detected. It is also highly recommended that you identify all contacted people who come in contact with COVID positive person and get medical test for COVID-19 identification. If co-workers or other employees are not detected as COVID positive, but it is recommended to remain in quarantine, you must do disinfection of your facility and building, as per level of emergency as indicated. If possible, you may explore possibility of change of work location too. These are important actions if COVID positive case is detected. Provide extent possible help. Avoid frequent exposure with him. Do not touch without protection. Inform authority. Follow all instructions received from authority. Communicate internally within your organization. Boosting for immunity as per advice from FMO. Alternate exit route for others. Disinfect occupational health center and other relevant area. Increase supervision. Ensure strict compliance for COVID safety measures. You may visit our website for information on consultancy and training services. We also conduct online training as well. You may write suggestion or comment to us through email. We are called AKSHAR Management Consultant, based at Baroda.